singing, we think of breathing down low so that our tummies pop out like this. And then we can squeeze our abdominal wall to gently squeeze out the air. But we actually should expand all the way around our whole waistline. So anywhere a belt would touch if you were wearing a belt. And the place we have the most difficulty feeling the air expansion is in our back. So I thought we could practice that today, since this is a day for you to sit down for your lesson. Here, actually, let's get this backwards just a little bit. I was just thinking you're gonna need to not hit your head. So we bend over like this while sitting. Good. So that means our tummy gets like smushed up onto our legs. And then we inhale into our tummy, and you should feel in your lower back here an expansion right where my hand is, okay? So see if you can feel that. Inhale. Now here, put your hand on my lower back, right here, okay? Feel. Do you feel the expansion? Now put your hands on your own back. Inhale. Do you feel? Good. So now sit up straight and see if you can still feel the same expansion. You can put your hands on your back again if you want to, and we'll try to breathe where your hands are. Were you able to feel it? Yeah, it's kind of hard, so go back. This is called back breathing. You kind of imagine you're breathing into your back. So smush your tummy into your legs again and breathe into your hands. Were you able to feel that time? Okay, now sitting up straight. Were you able to feel that time?
A little bit.
Yeah, so it's pretty subtle. It's not like your stomach where you can like see the movement happening, but it's a little bit of change. And then the other place you can feel is from side to side. So the bottom of your rib cage is somewhere around here. Can you feel it? It's like the bones end and everything gets kind of squishy at your waist. So we can feel our rib cage expand as we inhale, like an umbrella opening, the bottom part of the rib cage there. You feel it? Mm-hmm. And so some schools of thought with voice will say to keep the ribs expanded like an umbrella as you exhale, but we're going to let the bottom of the ribs soften as we inhale. So we inhale and the ribs go up like an umbrella, and exhale, and we can feel the ribs gently soften back into place. And inhale, so hopefully again we feel the tummy go, we feel the back go, and we feel the ribs go when we inhale, and then we can squeeze the abdominal wall to begin our phonation. Any questions about that?
Yes, how do you do that all at once?
Oh, wow. Yeah. That's a good question, Kyleh. And that's just the breathing part. That's the part that happens before singing. You just have to practice it over and over again. So I practice in front of a mirror and like watch my tummy and watch my chest and my shoulders. And then I sometimes tie a string around my waist so I can feel if the string is expanding all the way around. Sometimes I put my hands on my ribs or my tummy or my back, or like one on my chest, one on my tummy. And of course the lie down that we have done before. So you just have to keep practicing it while not singing, which is easier because you have however much time you need, and then slowly try to like incorporate what you've learned while not singing, just doing breathing exercises, into singing which is much harder because you have to be really fast usually if you're singing. You only have like a split second to get your inhale, so yeah. I guess the answer is just time and practice. You gotta isolate the skill of breathing and practice that skill alone, and then try to add it into singing over time. So that's the only way I know. It's not usually a skill that someone can develop in like a week. It's a kind of a lifelong pursuit. But 2 thumbs up for back breathing. And 2 thumbs up for Kyleh.